Sandbox for my invoice portal. Did you know that you can now issue your first e-invoice using the testing environment provided by the Inland Revenue Board? First, log into the MyInvoice testing environment at this URL: http://mytax.hasil.gov.my. After logging in, you'll need to choose your ID type. Usually, this is your IC number. Once you've selected it, click Submit. Next, you'll see a message saying you don't have a digital certificate. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with a digital certificate, DC, just select My Invoice. Let me explain. A digital certificate is an electronic document that verifies the identity of a website, server, or individual during online transactions. If you're using an API to connect with the IRB's MyInvoice portal, you'll need to subscribe for one. The good news is, if you're using the MyInvoice portal, the digital certificate will be provided for free by the IRB. Next, you need to verify your email address. If the email shown is the one you registered with Mytax, go ahead and click Yes. After that, you'll receive an email with a link to complete your first-time login setup. Once you receive the email, click OK to proceed. You'll need to activate your account. Find the activation link in your email and click on it. Next, type your IC number again and click Submit. Here your basic information verification. Now, it's time to create your password and set up your security phrase. Don't forget to read through the terms and conditions, then simply click Agree. Lastly, click Submit and that's it. You've completed your registration. Click OK, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.